Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 31st of May 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.86%, settling the day at 38,111.48 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,737.08, falling 1.08%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,192.69 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,409.62. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,690, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 3,050.15 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. Jio Financial Services launches Jio Finance app in beta version. IDFC First Bank to issue shares worth 3,200 crore rupees via preferential issue. NSE's Index Services subsidiary, NSE Indices Limited on the 30th of May launched a new thematic index, Nifty EV and New Age Automotive Index. Now talking about global aspects, the US economy expanded an annualized 1.3% in Q1 2024, below 1.6% in the advance estimate and 3.4% in Q4 mainly due to a downward revision in consumer spending. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US rose by 3,000 to 219,000, marginally above market expectations of 218,000. US gasoline stockpiles rose by 2 million barrels last week, well above the 1 million increase expected. WTI fell 1.5% to $78.01, while Brent fell 1.7% to $82.03 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.77. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.53%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices traded lower for the fifth consecutive session, impacted by significant declines in metals, pharma, and IT shares. Investor caution prevailed, with many holding back from making substantial investments ahead of the national election results scheduled for June 4. Sensex slipped more than 600 points, and closed at 73,885.60, while the Nifty declined nearly 1% to settle at 22,488.65. Except for media and banking, every major sector traded in negative territory. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, discussions regarding higher targets such as 24,000 should be approached cautiously until a breakout above the 23,200 level is confirmed. It's prudent to withhold speculation on reaching 24,000 until the Nifty demonstrates strength by surpassing the 23,200 mark. Notably, the Nifty encountered significant resistance at the 23,150 level, a barrier that had been anticipated over the past 3 weeks. 22,300 to 22,400 will act as an immediate support. The Bank Nifty has faced strong resistance near 49,000 level. A breakout above 49,000 can lead prices towards target of 50,000. The short-term support stands at 48,000, while immediate support likely to place at 48,400. Stocks on radar are Emami, Heritage Foods, KNR Construction, Lind India, RHIM. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.